Hello! Good day, tourists!
This is Jenica Gagasi
Kimberly Ginculiado.
and Junela Concepcion, and we will be your tour guide for today. On behalf of JKG Travel and Tour, welcome to Tarlac City! So, welcome to our first destination, which is the San Sebastian Cathedral Parish Church here in Tarlac City, also known as Tarlac Cathedral. As you can see, it's under renovation. It's a blend of history and architectural. It features a neo-Gothic style, an opulent interior with a grand main altar, stained glass window, side altars, and painted ceiling. It established in 1686, the church has survived challenges, including World War II, and it stands as a testament to the community faith. It's a popular venue for weddings and religious ceremonies. So, visit the majestic San Sebastian Cathedral Parish Church in Tarlac City, a timeless architectural marvel with a rich history and serene atmosphere. Its experience of history buff, photography enthusiasts, and those seeking quiet reflection.
And now, we are here on D1 ng Tarlac, stand at the Phenomenon and Civic Center that encapsulates the Asian province and its people. These towering structures, symbols of resilience, utility, freedom, serving as reminder of Tarlac City, rich history, full of family, independence. Explore Tarlac rich history and culture D1 ng Tarlac, featuring civic and deep appreciation of vibrant traditions, offering unforgettable experience for history and citizens and travelers. The center holds a variety cultural activities, exhibition and conference showcasing Filipino and Tarlaceño art and culture.
Our last destination is Maria Cristina Park. It is sparkling green ways, offering tranquil escape from the city's hustler and bustle. It's popular spots for picnic, leisurely walking, and family outings. The park features lush gardens and the children's playgrounds. It's a heaven space of activity in the heart of Tarlac City, perfect for relaxing afternoon or a family day out. Come in breath in the fresh air and let the tranquility rejuvenating your spirit. Make Maria Cristina Park your next Tarlac City adventure. Come in breath in the fresh air and let the tranquility rejuvenate your spirit. Make your Maria Cristina Park the next Tarlac City adventure.
So, on behalf of JKG Travel and Tour, we are very thankful to become part of your unforgettable trip here in Tarlac City. I hope we're giving you reason to enjoy and smile. Thank you. Goodbye.